Ang traditional Japanese meal ay kadalasang binubuo ng rice, vegetables, soybean products, sea vegetables, at fish. Mayaman ito sa mga dietary fiber, vitamins, low cholesterol fat, at protein. Isang pagkain na mayaman sa protina ay ang pagkain ng karne. Kaya naman kilala rin ang bansang Hapon sa kanilang mga meat dishes. Ayon sa kasaysayan, ang mga Hapon ay nagsimulang kumain ng maramihan nito noong second half ng 19th century. Sa panahon natin ngayon, marami ng variety ng Japanese meat dishes. Andyan ang yakitori, nikujaga, at syempre, ang pinakasikat sa kanilang meat dishes na tonkatsu.
Katsu actually means cutlet in Japanese. So, tonkatsu, ton is pork, so it's pork cutlet. And we have the chicken katsu also, so it's chicken cutlet.
Dito sa Pilipinas, parami na ng parami ang nahihikayat sa pagkain ng Japanese food. Isa na nga dyan ang mga katsu dishes. Kaya naman dito sa Quezon City, matatagpuan ang isang katsu house.
We're actually the first katsu restaurant established here in Metro Manila. Parang we focused on a segment lang in the usual Japanese menus. Kasi usually in other restaurants you have sushi, you have maki, and then you have the teppanyaki, and then you have the katsu. So we wanted to home in the katsu dishes. I guess it's just the taste. The taste can speak for itself. Katsu is traditionally fried, so I think Pinoys love fried food also. So, yun, it's a different twist than to chicken and pork. Personally, I like really good sushi. Tried it in Tokyo, and I heard that yung mga fresh fish na they serve in Tokyo na traditional comes from the Philippines. So, I think the Philippines has a lot to offer when it comes to raw meat and raw fish also. Personally, I like katsu as well. So, I'm a big fan of what we serve. And I'm a really big fan of our chicken katsu.
At dahil nga isa ang katsu dishes sa paborito nitong si Brian, narito naman ang must-try dishes sa kanilang resto.
Here we have our gyoza. The gyoza is made daily here, fresh. So, all the ingredients are made here. And then we have the chicken katsu. That's actually our best seller. So this is the dish that built our establishment, Crazy Katsu. We also have the pork ginger. This dish also has a lot of fans. And the Japanese burger steak. Here's a favorite of my partner, actually, and this is his own recipe. And we have the sukiyaki. So this is a soup with noodles and beef and egg. And for the health conscious, we have the chicken katsu salad. So it's a variation of our best seller. And of course the tonkatsu. This is a staple in all katsu houses in Japan. And we also have our own homemade special sauce for the tonkatsu. And lastly, the katsudon. So this is pork over rice.
naman mga ka-homepage, kung nais nyo rin lang mag-explore sa Japanese cuisine, simulan na yan sa masasarap at affordable dishes na ino-offer ng Katsu House na ito.